New technologies and more efficient energy storage systems are needed to get to net zero. Supercapacitors are electrical energy storage and power boost devices with electrodes inside that store a large amount of electrical charge. nanoCaps are pioneers in supercapacitor technology. Our patented high-energy storage technology will contribute to the solution.
Supercapacitor is an energy storage device. It looks like a battery, but it's not.
We are trying to bridge the gap between conventional supercapacitors and the batteries. In a world where electronics are getting miniaturized, we also need to miniaturize the energy storage devices. When we use a nanoCaps electrode, we can make the supercapacitor much smaller than it is and still have the same amount of energy.
Nanomaterials can turn a flat surface into a three-dimensional one, providing a much greater surface area for increased energy storage or generation. Our international team, based on 15 years of research, has achieved a world record of up to 4 times more energy storage capacity in our electrodes than existing technology. Our solution will expand supercapacitor applications and increase the market size. nanoCaps electrodes can narrow the gap between today's supercapacitors and batteries. Supercapacitors are long-lasting, made from responsibly sourced materials. They charge and release energy much faster than batteries and bridge power gaps for immediate power delivery after power loss.
We have a very low environmental impact. We don't use lithium or we don't use any heavy metals that can potentially contaminate the soil. We're able to make nanoCap supercapacitors so small that they could also fit the future technologies very well.
The production capacity will go up. You don't need more factories. So if you have a growth of 20% per year, then you can still have the same factories, just change the electrode.
We are trying to fit our electrode in all sorts of devices of different sizes and different applications ranging from stationary to mobile applications.
For example, in computer servers, manufacturing lines and hospitals. They're in onboard energy storage for EVs, trams and metros and stabilize grid fluctuations from intermittent power sources like wind and solar. As battery assist, they extend the lifespan of batteries, creating less waste. Supercapacitors are invisible, but they're everywhere, making things possible in our everyday lives.
The vision is that our electrode will be a central component in all supercapacitors, which will have an enormous effect on the environment in the end.
Founded in Norway, powered by nature, we will revolutionize energy storage on a global scale by engineering at the nanoscale through our revolutionary supercapacitors powered by nanoCaps, the world's leading electrode for supercapacitors.